Kajing maramot ya ke Umïam dam bat kajing penskem ya kajing king labu ke Thong ban Pyndep ha katayo banengkong jong Bnai Nailar. Habaya tu sepang kene Menteri Keteran Boarding UET Mondal loong ngakermen baya kene kekam in la ban Pyndep ha Bnai Naitung ne ha Bnai Nailar. Ulai tu baya kene kajing maramot la sim dakadam Rehabilitation Improvement Project DRIP kajing temu jong ka DRIP kedai kajing maramot bat kajing penbhai ki dam bat kajing penklain ki. Kikam ki bakongsan bala sim da ke DRIP ka kentup ya ke drilling bat ke jinglong keti na ke grounding jong ke dam ke jing or pipe bat kikam hydromechanical. Na keling jong Mondal la pentip ru ba ke jing sya ban ya ki kali na jingking kan long ha karukom jong ke zigzag way.
Regarding Umïam bridge, we are working on it, and I am very confident that we will complete in due course of time. What I told you, that July end or August, first week of August. We are working also to allow the vehicle to pass in zigzag way so that we can work in a better way to complete the work. So we are having reviews almost weekly basis. Let us work and we will see. That means suppose there are two lanes, no, left and right wing. If you go down, we'll allow some vehicle to go to right, then take a left turn to the already completed concrete one. Then they go, and then they took the right again to exit. So by the meantime, we'll cover the portion which will not allow them to go in a bigger portion. At a time we will complete. Then after completion of that one, then we will allow them to go from the old entry left side, then they take a right turn, go, then take a left turn and go. All will be systematically done there in the bridge so that we can expedite the work.
By July end?
See, now the question is that there are two components actually here. One component is the strengthening the dam, is a larger portion. Second thing is the this retrofitting of the bridge. So both the work we are doing simultaneously. Hopefully it will be completed as per the stipulated time. July end, first week I told that we will be through.